In this video, I'll show you how to find your Facebook business account email, step by step. Your business email is the email address associated with your Meta business account and is used for important notifications and account management. First, open your web browser and sign in to Meta Business Suite with the Facebook account that manages your business. Next, click Settings, then open Business Settings. In the left menu, click Business Info. Here, you'll see your business details, including the business email address associated with your business account. If you want to update it, click the Edit button, enter your new business email address, and save the changes. Make sure you use an email address that you can access, because Meta sends important notifications, security alerts, and verification requests to this email. If you can't find the business email, make sure you're signed in with the correct Facebook account and have admin access to the Business Manager. That's how you can quickly find your Facebook business account email. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.